Do you want to move from your job to business? Do you always have this in your mind that, I want to start my own business? And you keep thinking, when is the correct time? What is the correct way? Or, you keep worrying, will I be able to make the same amount that I'm making on my job in the business? Will I succeed? What if I fail and the business does not go well and I lose all my money? Will I have to go back to the job? And there's so many worries that you have, right? So in this video, I'm gonna address and share a couple of strategies that I used in my career, and how did I move from being a freelance and starting my business to where I am today. So let's begin. The first thing that you need to understand when you want to move from a job to business is the correct reason. What is your reason? Is it that you just want to be the boss of your own self, or you're so sick and tired of the job, morning to evening, and you want some variety in your life, or you want freedom, or you want money, you want more money, better lifestyle, abundance? Or is it just that everybody is doing business, so you just want to do your own business? What is it? Do you have a product or service in your mind that you really want to offer to the market? So get the reasons right. When I started, I wanted to offer people better choices in terms of life transformation. I saw people are struggling, and I realized that I can help people be alive and fearless and live a life they love every single day. And that was my primary motive to start my journey into the personal development in being a speaker, trainer, and life coach. What is your reason? Why do you want to start your own business? So figure that out. It is the most important thing, because that is what is going to drive you in the downtime, in the struggles, in the ups and downs. The reason has to be correct. Otherwise, I've seen a lot of people, they leave their job, they get into business, one business doesn't work, 6 months, 1 year, they move somewhere else, they move something different, they go to another field, they go to another business, and at the end of the day, they don't have the right reasons, so they're just, doing it for the wrong reasons, just for the money, or just for the convenience, or just to become their own boss. So those are not the correct reasons that you want to start your own business. First. Second, what is the correct time? People just keep waiting. I'm going to take some experience, I'm going to make some money, I'm going to save some money, get a bank balance, I'm going to observe the market, or do some research and do some competition analysis and ask people, and I'm going to wait till the right time. Now, let me break this news to you. There is no right time. The right time is right now. But the reason people want to find the right time is not basically the time. The reason they are not jumping into offering a product or service is, one, they don't have the right reasons. Second, they don't have the right product and service. And the main reason is because of fear. They are completely consumed by fear. What kind of fear? Fear of failure, fear of rejection, and fear of losing money, right? If I invest in a particular business and I move and I create a product and service, what if people don't buy? What if I'm not successful? What if I can't make the same money that I'm making on my job? What if I can't survive and take care of my family? So having fear run you before you move into business is absolutely unhealthy. So you want to identify and walk over your fear. And how are you going to walk over your fear? By, again, having the right reason, and second, having the right product and service to offer into the marketplace. A lot of people are struggling. You might think, I want to move from a job to business, but what product and service should I sell? In my case, we started I had certain courses. I was a speaker. I was talking to groups of people about being alive and fearless, about relationship, about parenting, about business. And these are the product service which I wanted to offer to the marketplace, because there was a great need. And I found the need, I created the product, and I offered it to the correct customer, and I got paid for it. So, finding your product and then moving out, walking over your fear, because your fear is never going to leave you, right? Unless and until you go to your boss and you say, boss, you know what, I am done, and I want to start my own business, and you resign and you move and you just start your business. That is the only way to move from job to business. Now again, there are a couple of strategies. One being that when you start your business, you make sure that you have reached your consumer, the correct target audience, and keeping your price point to a minimum. Now, how can you keep your price point low? Is by following a proper process, keeping your expenses down and making a profit. Now, I always advise people, and I've done this in my own life, keeping my expenses down, my business expenses, maybe an office, manufacturing or employment or any other expense, keeping it down, keeping your product or service price point very affordable because you're starting off. And the most important that I want to tell people who are wanting to move from job to business is start off your business small, one step at a time, and make sure that you make profit. Yes, the word is you are making a profit. It doesn't matter if the profit is small, but as long as you're making a profit and people are buying and consuming your product, you can then just keep on multiplying your efforts and your profit will increase. So I hope this helps you moving from your job to business. Couple of things again as a reminder: make sure you do it with the correct reasons. Second is make sure that you have the correct product and service. Third is your consumer, your target audience. Price point should be low, keep your expenses down and make a profit. Once you start making a profit, you will automatically feel more alive and more fearless in doing your business. And the best way to do business is to do business. No amount of planning, no amount of education, no amount of certifications and courses will help you prepare for the real deal. We always advise, start small, take one step at a time and jump in. And that will only be, make you more alive and fearless in your business. If you want to go deep in and want to understand how can I be alive and fearless, how can I achieve my dreams, my goals, and how can I live a life I love every single day, visit aliveandfearless.com for our course. Or if you have not opted in yet and you want free videos, advice, or updates on our products and service, you can go to murzabadri.com and opt in, register for our newsletter. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let me know if you have a question. Post it in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Till then, stay alive, stay fearless, dream big, go jump, go at it for whatever business product idea that you have, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.